you guys a little life update. I know I haven't been posting videos lately or whatever. I've been having a lot of problems, as you can tell. My carpal tunnel is so bad right now for the past week that my whole hand from here up to my shoulder is swelled up. And I really don't want to get surgery right now, so I've been trying to take a lot of ibuprofen, getting steroid shots. The doctor said I'm going to get one more shot before surgery. So surgery is what I'm trying to avoid. So I haven't been able to use my hands. So that's really been, that's a hindrance when when you're a cook/baker. So I've been, not cooking or been doing a lot of stuff because of my hand. And then before then, I had got the COVID back in September, the end of September. So we were sick with that. Besides COVID, I got bronchitis with the COVID. So I've been dealing with that, and then I got my husband sick. So I was like, we're both sick, and I said now we're dealing with residuals from the COVID, with me losing my hair, him having headaches all the time, I already have IBS, so it just makes it worse. I'm having more episodes than I've ever had since I've been diagnosed with IBS like 11 years ago. So just a lot of health issues and stuff going on since then, but I do want you all to know, I haven't forgot you guys, I miss cooking and baking. That is my passion besides serving Jesus and my family. So it's sort of a downer when I can't do what I love to do. So I will be making a video doing a lasagna one, but I will be having my beautiful 19-year-old daughter, Ariana. She's gonna have to cook because she's my hands. So you might see her face, but I will be talking because she don't know the recipe. So, because she don't cook. So I just want to let you guys know, I will be doing some like Christmas cookies. Guys, I had a dream about making a caramel cake, but I got this idea how to make it like all elegant and stuff. So I'm probably gonna be doing that for my birthday. Ignore the phone, y'all, that's my phone. Unless somebody bother me again. Anyway, so I just want to let you all know that I haven't forgotten you guys, and I will see you guys soon. And God bless you guys.